Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start your own online business in 2019. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can get started with your own online business. Now, there might be a couple of reasons why you might want to start your own online business. Maybe it's just to earn some extra money on the side, or maybe one day you just want to quit your regular 9-to-5 job. So I'm going to be explaining a few different online businesses that you can get started with in 2019. Some online businesses might not be for everybody, so that's why I'm going to be sharing a few different ones to give you guys some options. But before I go any further, if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me talk about the first online business. And by the way, all of the business ideas that I'm going to be talking about are going to be ways that you can earn a passive income. So the first one that I want to talk about is called dropshipping. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically where you find an item that's selling at a low price and then you relist that same item and then you post it for a higher price. So most people who use dropshipping, they create their own e-commerce website. Now they create their website that's based around a certain niche. So most people who create an e-commerce website, they use a platform called Shopify. The reason why most people use Shopify is that it's because it's really easy to use and it's pretty simple to get started. You can build a basic website in about 30 minutes. And the cool thing about Shopify is that they have a 14-day free trial. So you can have your own website set up before you're actually paying any money to run that website. But let me just give you guys an example of how this would work. So you would create your website through Shopify. You need to have your website focused on a certain niche. If you're trying to sell all kinds of gadgets that are unrelated to each other, you're gonna have a hard time getting sales. So let's say that your website is about phone accessories, where you're gonna be selling phone cases, charging cables for different kind of phones, screen protectors, phone mounts that you can put in your car to hold your phone, that kind of stuff. You would then go to a website called AliExpress. Now this is an online Chinese wholesale website where you can find products that are really cheap. You find a good seller and then you're gonna list that item that person is selling on your website. So whenever somebody comes to your website and let's say that they order a phone case, whenever they do that, you just go to AliExpress, you order that same phone case, and then instead of having it shipped to you, you're gonna have it shipped to the customer. So you don't have to invest any money up front into a bunch of inventory. All you have to do is just pay for your Shopify monthly fee. And most people who start Shopify stores, they run paid traffic, whether it's with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or YouTube ads. So the cost to start a dropshipping business can be around $200 or less. If you want to invest more money into running paid traffic, you can do that as well. Now the benefits about using dropshipping is that you don't have to worry about any inventory taking up space in your garage or in your closet. So that's something to consider if you guys are thinking about going with dropshipping. So the next online business that you can start is print-on-demand merchandise. You can create a website with Shopify as well, and then you can sell merchandise like t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, stuff like that. Now the cool thing about having a print-on-demand website is that you don't have to invest a whole bunch of money into having somebody screen print a bunch of t-shirts before you even sell one of them. Everything is made to order. So whenever somebody orders a t-shirt off your website, you're gonna use another website called Printful. Now this website, you can print all kinds of things like shirts, t-shirts, hoodies, socks, backpacks. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna sync up your Printful account to your Shopify store. So when somebody orders a t-shirt from your store, it lets the people know at Printful that they need to print that shirt and ship it out to the customer. So you can earn a passive income this way as well. You just have to factor in the cost of having to print a shirt and ship it out to the customer. So you just add your commission on top of that cost. So let's say that it costs you $15 to print a shirt and have it shipped out to the customer. You could sell that shirt for $25 and you would be making $10 profit. So this is a method I would recommend for people who are creative and they don't have a lot of money to invest up front into selling merchandise. Now the last method that I want to talk about in this video is called affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting other people's products online, and every time somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they buy that product, then you earn a commission. Now a lot of people don't consider affiliate marketing an actual business. They just see it as getting a commission here and there for referring people to other people's products. But there are actually people out there who are making 6 figures a year just with affiliate marketing alone. The reason why they're able to do this is because they know how to market a product. Now there's free programs that you can sign up with as an affiliate program. Now the 2 most common ones are going to be Amazon and ClickBank. If you don't know how to get started with the Amazon Associates program, all you have to do is just type in Amazon Associates and then you sign up. You're going to enter in your information, and now I believe that they require you to have a website in order to become an affiliate. It's not hard to create a website, it just takes some time. And there's videos out there that show you how to create a website step by step if you guys are willing to create your own website. The other program that you can get started with for free is called ClickBank. You just enter in your information and then you're good to go. You can start promoting products that they have on their website. So these 2 programs are good to start out with if you just want to see if affiliate marketing is right for you. But the downside of using these free affiliate programs is that Amazon, first of all, Amazon pays very low commissions, anywhere between 2 to 10% of whatever the price is of the product that you're promoting. It depends on the category. ClickBank, they pay a lot more when it comes to commissions, anywhere between 12 to 40%. It depends on the product that you're promoting. But both of these programs, they don't pay you on the lifetime value of the customer. Yeah, they pay you a commission if somebody that you refer to them buys something up front, but they don't pay you if there's a product that they're selling on the back end. So if somebody comes to that product that you're promoting, they buy it, you're going to earn a commission. But if they buy another product later on down the line, you don't earn a commission from that. If you want to earn 6 figures a year with affiliate marketing, you need to find an affiliate program that offers high ticket products. So this means that their products are going to earn you commissions of $100, $200, $500, or even $1,000 or even more. And this program should pay you based on the lifetime of the customer. So let's say that you refer a person to a product or a program and they buy something that costs $50, and out of those 50 you earn a $20 commission. And later on that person purchases another product that costs $200. You would still make a commission because you're the one who referred that person to that product or that program. So this is what you should look for when it comes to good high ticket affiliate programs. Now I talk a lot about affiliate marketing in a bunch of other videos that I do, and if you guys want to learn more about it, you can check out those videos, or there's a free ebook download down in the description called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So I talk about affiliate marketing in more detail. You guys should check that out if you're interested in learning more. It's completely free. And if you guys want to learn how you can make a passive income with affiliate marketing and get started with your very own online business, then check out the first link in the top of the description. Now, I just want to give you guys a disclaimer. This isn't something that's going to make you rich overnight. This is an actual business, and if you're willing to put in the work and you're committed to learning, then you can definitely earn a passive income with this method. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.